Alright, so maybe you already have a game you want to release and this is why you're watching this course. And basically in this course it's not important what game we are making. I just want to show you how to release a game if you have a game finished. So basically let's go ahead and click on launch Unreal Engine, and basically I just want to choose a default game from their template that we basically can use to release a game to Steam. So we don't really have to do anything here. So when you click on launch on Unreal Engine, this tab comes up and you can select a recent project if you have one, or you can click on this games tab and you can see here you can create a new project. Basically what we want to do, we don't want to, this course is not about creating a game, it's about releasing a game to Steam. So basically I just want to select one of these templates that Unreal Engine has. So maybe this first person shooter game. And this one, I'm just going to call it UE5 Steam, just like that. And the project location is just the default one. And everything is just default here. That is fine. And then I'm going to click on create. All right, so this is what it looks like when you have launched Unreal Engine 5. And it says update the project. I'm going to click on update. And it says new plugins available, manage plugins. I'm going to click on dismiss. You can go to plugins, by the way. If this box disappears, you can click on edit and click on plugins here. And what I like to do is I like to go down here inside of the plugins and click on virtual reality. And I like to disable the Oculus VR and the Steam VR. And this is for when your game is not a VR game. And basically when I released, I'm going to click on restart now. Basically, when I released Thumbtail on Steam, I had those enabled, and it kept launching my game with VR mode, even though it was not a VR game. And some people were frustrated about it, so it helped when I disabled those. So I'm going to close the plugins tab, and your engine, if you haven't opened it before, it might look a bit different. So it might, if I close this down here, it might look something like this instead, just like that. Okay, so this is the game, and when you click on play, you're basically playing the game, just like that. So this is the game we want to release to Steam. And basically, we don't want to create anything for this game. Let's pretend this is our ready game, and this is the game that we want to release. So let's move on to the next lesson.